This here is the all-new Galaxy S23 Ultra, the latest and greatest new phone, so let's unbox it. Removing this little cardboard cover reveals the phone in the beautiful lavender color I chose, which is available across the entire S23 series. You can also get this device in 3 depressing colors, or choose from 4 exclusive options if you buy directly from Samsung on their site. Now let's check out that peel.
I mean, it's alright,
Now we also have this little compartment tucked in the lid of the box containing a cable, SIM ejector, and manuals. Now let's take a closer look at the lavender color that just looks so amazing and elegant and really reinforces the premium design of this device. I'm so excited to start testing out all of its crazy features like the new cameras and massive screen, so don't forget to subscribe to never miss future videos, and I'll see you there.